you need to pay attention right now, because I'm starting to see something happen, not only on the charts, but also in the background here, that is going to catch a lot of people by surprise, guys. So today, I am going to go through everything here with you. I'm going to show you Bitcoin, I will talk about altcoins, I will talk about my trading strategies and everything else, guys. So make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end of this video. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it, guys. And what you can see for Bitcoin is that after having gone down below my orange line right here, we tried to break through it, and we're still trying to break through it. We haven't managed to do that so far. So we had a little bit of, well, we had a massive pump, and then we had some resistance here. We went above it, a little bit of a fake out, and then now we are below it again. So things are, in my opinion, still looking pretty good. We're still, okay, we're below the orange line here, but we have already broken it one time. So I believe the next time we break it, we are going to remain above this point, and we are going to make a push towards $100,000. Now, if you look at traditional markets has also had a pullback the last 2 days. So that also has been affecting Bitcoin, of course, but Bitcoin, in my opinion, showing relative strength here. So that is all great. Now, before I talk about something that a lot of people are not paying attention to right now, let's quickly talk about Ethereum. And Ethereum is right now resting on my support, but altcoins, they're more or less like they've been bleeding. Some of them have been going down a little bit. Some of them have been pumping just slightly, but most of them, it's mostly sideways across the board here for altcoins. Cardano going down, XRP going down as well, and yeah, just like I showed you, Ethereum trying to stay above the point of support here. So the markets are a little bit boring right now. Yes, there's not a lot of things happening, it's just sideways action, and that is also why it's a good time to actually pay attention, because this kind of environment means that people get bored. They start to sell all of their crypto, and they just get bored. They want to have that dopamine. They want to see Bitcoin go up, and even if we go down, if the altcoins goes down, it is still something that keeps the attention from people. But just a sideways action, this constant sideways, this is something that gets a lot of people bored, and they start to sell their crypto, and then they have already sold by the time you see that next major move upwards, which I think is going to happen. So that is why today I'm going to show you here in a little bit all of the things you need to pay attention to right now. First, for my trading strategies, for every day that goes by, oh, the gold strategy has actually, so gold has been going up a lot yesterday. This was at like minus $8,000 a few days ago, and now it's at plus $4,000. So yes, investors buying a lot of gold again, but still, I am most likely going to close this just because the volatility is not that significant. During the last 11 days, we only made 0.3% on the algorithm here. So yeah, I think I'll just close this and put the money into Bitcoin instead. But speaking of the rest of my strategies here, the Bitcoin bot is up to $146,000. Ethereum bot still out of range and still at a loss. Out of range also for Solana. Doge bot continues to take advantage of the volatility, making more profits. Also the XRP bot doing really good. It's up at $21,000, even though it is down significantly from when we started it. We started it at $2.3, and we are at $2.1. So the algorithm is making up for a lot of this, and we've been making nice profits. That's amazing to see. Continue here. The Cardano bot is up $32,000 as well. All of these strategies doing very well. The volatility means that we make more profit over time. Second, Solana bot up $30,000, and yeah, the gold bot we already talked about. So guys, if you want to get in on this little bit of a dip that we're seeing right now across the altcoins, or for Bitcoin for that matter, make sure to go to the description of this video, and you are able to get in now at a decent price before we see the next major move upwards. First, sign up to Pionex using this link right here. Claim the deposit bonuses using this link, and then copy my long strategies using these links, and copy my, if you want to go short, if you think that we're in a bear market, copy these strategies right here as well. You can also use it for over 180 other altcoins by clicking on this link. Let's continue. So some of the headlines that are happening right now. Actually, first, let us talk about what to look forward to for this week. So Wednesday is going to be big. You have the Fed interest rate decision. So that is going to happen on Wednesday, and also the press conference. So that's going to be key, of course. There's going to be Big volatility associated with this as well. And then you have on Thursday, you have some very important data from Europe. And then you have on Friday, you have extremely important data coming from China. So be prepared for the next few days of this week to be pretty volatile. If we continue here, some of the headlines. So a deal with Canada is possible, but says it is very complex. So we're seeing some bearish news in regards to the trade deals coming up. And also the US Treasury Secretary Bessent said that China has only offered what they've said publicly. So is this just some kind of smoke and mirrors, or what's happening here? Because at the same time, we see that President Trump also says that trade deals could very well be announced this week. So these are the things that are going to also cause volatility this week. But if we look at the grand scheme of things, there is billions and billions of dollars worth of buying pressure that is coming into Bitcoin. This is why you need to zoom out. When times are like these, when we're going sideways, you have to look at the fundamentals. And the fundamentals is that Bernstein believes that MicroStrategy and other corporate copycats could add $330 billion to the Bitcoin treasuries in the next 5 years. This is incredible amounts of buying pressure. And it's absolutely insane, but I do think it is actually going to happen. Also, if you look at some of the headlines here, not only, or some of the word on the street, not only will a large corporate make a Bitcoin treasury announcement at the end of this month, also another corporate entity focused solely on Bitcoin strategy as its sole purpose will also be announced. So another MicroStrategy is going to happen probably this month. So that is going to be very, very good. And again, continues to add buying pressure. $330 billion is the estimation here from MicroStrategy and other entities like these. If we continue, MicroStrategy purchased yesterday, or they announced yesterday that they purchased $180 million worth of Bitcoin. Not a lot of money in the grand scheme of things compared to what they usually buy. But remember, they are about to raise $20 billion to buy more Bitcoin. So that is something we can look out for. And also $11 billion worth of crypto is going to be paid out to FTX creditors starting May 30th. So in just, 24 days, you are going to start to see this money enter the market, and it is most likely going to get back into crypto. So very, very important stuff happening here. The buying pressure is insane. And then don't forget as well that the ETFs are buying Bitcoin like absolutely crazy. Every single day, it is about $500 million worth of buying pressure. Take that times the entire year, $500 million a day, that's $150 billion. Add $330 billion, add these corporations adding more Bitcoin to their balance sheet, add MicroStrategy, add FTX, and we're seeing, almost $500 billion potentially, if not more. It could actually be more in the next 5 years or so. I think it's actually going to be more, but we will see. Now, $500 billion, remember, the market cap for Bitcoin is currently $1.8 billion. Sorry, $1.8 trillion. So the buying pressure coming into Bitcoin in the next few years is absolutely insane. So that's why if I need to hold my strategies here for multiple years for them to make those millions and millions of dollars, I believe that they are going to do that over time. So I am patient, guys. I am not stressed at all. Everything is going to be fine. If anything, any kind of dip, I am buying more. And everything that's happening in the background continues to strengthen that thesis. Guys, this is what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.